everyone. Thank you for joining us. My name is Sharon Billy Duran. I'm the business manager of visualization software here at Rockwell Automation. And I'm here with Guy Lopes from Wulftec. And we're going to talk about FactoryTalk Optix. So thank you, Guy, for joining us. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your role at Wulftec?
Yes, thank you for the opportunity. So my role at Wulftec is VP of Operations. Wulftec is a stretch wrapping and strapping machinery manufacturer. We serve various industries. In my role, I oversee the fabrication, the assembly, the engineering, and also the tech support after the products are delivered to our end users.
Wulftec and Rockwell have been partners for a while. And can you tell us a little bit about what sets Wulftec apart in the market?
Yeah, I think one of the big factors that sets us aside is our flexibility and our understanding of the application the customers want us to address. We have a great team of knowledgeable people who are able to understand exactly what the customer wants to accomplish, and a very agile team that's able to select the correct products to make it happen and deliver the customized solution for the end users.
So speaking of selecting the correct products, we're here to talk about FactoryTalk Optix. And as you were looking to integrate the latest technologies and, kind of select the new products, what caused Wulftec to seek out a new HMI solution?
Well, for the last 15, 20 years, HMIs have been pretty standard and rough cut all across the industry, giving an alternative to buttons, but not giving a real user-friendly experience. Some companies tried to come up with better experience components, but the industrial aspect was not there, the robustness and the strength that we're looking for a long-term solution. Finally, Rockwell was able to come to market with a device that meets the industrial requirements, but also meets the user interface experience that we're looking for today.
And so you mentioned the user experience. What kinds of things are your customers asking for? Like what market demands are you finding the need to address?
Well, customers nowadays, of course, want something that is robust, that will last, but they also want something that when they want to interact with the machine, it's easy for them to flow through the menus, flow through the selections, operate the machine, and also after that, all of the data collection and the data analysis that's possible to acquire from the machine to be facilitated. So they want us to provide solutions along these lines, and Optix is a nice package that offers all of that.
Guy, when you were exploring the right products and you were exploring the Optix portfolio, can you talk about what in the Optix portfolio you ended up choosing and how that helps you address the needs that your customers are asking for?
Yes. We ended up choosing the capacitive version. And the big reason for that is the additional features that it brought. With the capacitive version, we could introduce a dynamic movement on the page, swiping of the page, zoom in, zoom out, so that customers can go and focus on what they really want to look at and then zoom out to see the big picture again. We can have animations of the system they're interacting with, so they can see real life motion of the components as they try to operate the machine. We can pull up schematics, we can pull up user manuals, we can pull up maintenance manuals, and even maintenance videos. So it makes the end user experience a lot closer to what you would see, let's say, in an iPad application, but in the industrial environment. That's for the direct interaction. On top of that, the Optix family, all of it, brings new features of ease in terms of IoT connectivity for data collection and remote monitoring and statistics. So it's a very good package built all in that street.
So thanks for that summary. think what you described, having that operator experience be more like like an iPad you mentioned with the Zoom, really really is something different in the industrial environment. I'm curious, what type of feedback have you received from your customers?
Well, we've been displaying the optics at a couple of exhibitions, but also with some customers. And as of today, customers are excited of what we're able to do with the optics solution. They like the fact that they won't have to search around for books or CDs or USB keys containing data in order to work with their machine. So for them, they see that the possibilities are great of what we can achieve. They like what we've done up to now, and they know we're still developing additional features and functions to make their experience better.
So, Guy, as you and your team evaluated the optics panel and FactoryTalk Optics, can you talk a little bit about the competitive edge that this solution gives Wulftec in the market?
Yes. With the selection of the optics screen for our machines, we offer customers more user-friendly experience, similar to what they have at home when they're using their iPad. So now the operation of the machine is more interactive. They can zoom in, zoom out to access details they want to go closer and watch. They have access to their manuals, to their maintenance manuals, to the schematics, the drawings, everything they need to do to operate and maintain a machine. Furthermore, the optics now also helps us get data out to customers so they can do monitoring remotely with their own systems. This is something that we weren't able to do directly with the hardware before. We needed to have third-party devices to allow that. With the optics, we can now allow customers to jump in the IoT bandwagon and take benefit of this for the years to come.
That is really great to hear. And I know that our team is very excited to work with your team because it really helps us make sure that how we evolve the optics platform is in line with what our customers are looking for. And I think the value of the partnership between Wulftec and Rockwell has been you can't even measure the value there. Uh, how is Wulftec planning to build upon its partnership with Rockwell? Can you talk a little bit about that?
The optics is one example of development that Rockwell does, and that they work out with companies like Wulftec to allow us to test the products as they're being developed in their final stages. In other cases, we are part of a voice of customer platform, so we can speak out about what's missing on some products that we'd like to see in the future. And we've seen Rockwell integrating features like that over the years to new products that come out, or even revamping current products with desires that we express to them. So to have a company on our side like Rockwell who's listening, but also has the capability to address the questions we bring up and make it happen is very good for us.
That's excellent to hear. And I know that Wulftec pushes us to do better, to deliver better products. And, in the end, we're able to deliver value. We're both able to deliver value to the industry in innovative ways. And so I want to thank you for your time today. Thank you for talking with us. And I look forward to our continued partnership together.
Well, thank you for the opportunity. And yes, great long future for both of us.